We are going to take a look at a Grass EcoPress M hinge boring machine with ram. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a manual Grass M hinge boring and insertion machine. Its 2 horsepower motor runs off of single phase 110 volt power. There are 3 spring loaded material stops and 2 spring loaded hold downs. Also included is a grass ram.